Wooded tiles are a popular way to enhance outdoor living space. These tiles are made from natural wood and require proper packaging to ensure they arrive in good condition to our customer. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step of packaging of wooded tiles. Follow me.
Hello everyone, these are the wooded tiles that are before dipping into oil. And this is wooded tiles after dipping into oil. There is a little bit of difference between them. It makes the surface turn into more shiny and lasts with time. The first steps in packaging wooded tiles is to dip them into oil. This process protects the wood from moisture and other environmental factors. Besides, as you can see, wooded tiles are dipped into oil, which will become more flat, shiny, and smooth surface.
Once the wooded tiles have been dipped into oil, they need to be dried. The tiles are placed on a drying track and left to dry for several hours. The drying time can vary depending on the weather condition and the humidity in the air. Now you can see it, they drying. It's important to ensure that the tiles are completely dry before they package.
Tiles have been dried, they ready to be packed on the pallet. The tiles are stacked in a neat pile and wrapped with elastic to protect them during transportation. Packaging is a key quality criteria for NATHIMEX JC. The company take care to package its wooded tile in a way that protect them during shipping and ensure that they arrive in good condition to the end user.
To make transportation easier and more efficient, the wooded tiles are packaged on the pallet. The pallet provides a sturdy base, so the fork can flip is easier and move to the container. The finished packaging are placed on the pallet and secured with stretch wrap or strapping.
Finally, the pallets are arranged inside a container. The tiles are stacked in a specific way to maximize the space inside the container. The pallets are secured to prevent them from shifting during transportation. The container is then sealed and shipped to its final destination.